Have you ever wondered when it's absolutely crucial to hire a criminal defense attorney? Whether you've been caught up in a legal issue or just want to understand the role a defense lawyer plays in the justice system, knowing when to seek professional help can make all the difference. In today's video, we'll walk you through critical moments when having a skilled criminal defense lawyer by your side isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Stick with us until the end to ensure you never find yourself navigating the complexities of the legal system alone. Let's dive in. You've been arrested or charged with a crime. The moment you're arrested or formally charged with a crime, the stakes immediately rise. At this point, a criminal defense attorney becomes your most important ally. Whether you're facing a misdemeanor or a felony, your attorney will safeguard your rights, ensuring you aren't coerced into making damaging statements. They'll also review the arrest details for any procedural errors, such as improper searches or unlawful detention, that could help your case. The consequences of criminal charges can include severe penalties such as imprisonment, fines, and a permanent criminal record. Having a defense lawyer from the outset ensures that your side of the story is heard and your defense is strategically planned. The charge is serious. When you're facing serious charges such as drug trafficking, assault, or murder, the need for a criminal defense lawyer intensifies. These charges carry significant consequences, including lengthy prison sentences, expensive fines, and long-term impacts on your future. A criminal defense attorney brings specialized knowledge, and their role isn't just to defend you. It's to identify weaknesses in the prosecution's case and to argue for the most favorable outcome. For instance, they might secure a reduction in charges, negotiate a plea deal, or even get the case dismissed based on constitutional violations. Serious charges demand expert representation to maximize your chances of a positive result. You're facing jail or prison time. The thought of jail or prison is daunting, but when the possibility is real, a criminal defense attorney becomes crucial. These legal professionals have the tools to not only challenge the charges, but also to reduce sentencing risks through plea bargains, diversion programs, or a persuasive argument for a lesser sentence. They will analyze your case for mitigating factors such as lack of prior criminal history, the severity of the offense, or any personal circumstances that may influence a judge's decision. A skilled lawyer will fight to prevent the loss of your freedom, advocating for alternative sentences like house arrest, probation, or rehabilitation programs. You're innocent but accused. Being wrongly accused of a crime is one of the most stressful and challenging situations anyone can face. If you are innocent but have been charged, it's essential to hire a criminal defense lawyer who will fight to protect your reputation and liberty. A defense attorney will build a case to firmly establish your innocence, using forensic evidence, alibis, and witness testimonies. They can also challenge any misleading or false evidence presented by the prosecution. Moreover, having an attorney ensures that you are not pressured into confessing or taking a plea deal for a crime you didn't commit. They'll stand by your side and ensure the truth comes to light. You've been charged in multiple jurisdictions. If your criminal charges span multiple jurisdictions, such as different states or counties, it's critical to have a criminal defense lawyer with experience navigating these complex legal waters. Each jurisdiction may have different laws, procedures, and penalties, and a seasoned attorney will understand how to handle cases that cross these boundaries. They can ensure that you aren't subjected to double jeopardy, resolve conflicts in jurisdictional law, and devise a strategy that minimizes penalties across the board. Without legal expertise, you risk facing inconsistent and contradictory legal proceedings that could severely impact your defense. Your case involves complicated legal issues. Some criminal cases are far more complicated than others, particularly those that involve technical legal issues such as fraud, embezzlement, or cybercrime. These cases may require expert testimony, intricate legal research, and an understanding of highly specialized laws. A criminal defense attorney with experience in complex cases can break down these complicated issues, interpret laws that apply to your situation, and find the best course of action. With the right attorney, you'll have someone who knows how to navigate the web of complicated legal arguments, helping you avoid pitfalls that could jeopardize your defense. You're facing a federal charge. Federal charges are notoriously serious and come with significantly harsher penalties than state-level crimes. From the moment federal authorities get involved, the scope and intensity of the prosecution increase, and you need an attorney who understands federal law. A criminal defense attorney specializing in federal cases can anticipate the prosecution's tactics understand the unique procedures of federal courts, and fight for your rights in an environment that is often more unforgiving. Whether you're charged with drug trafficking, tax evasion, or white-collar crime, a federal criminal defense lawyer has the expertise to guide you through the specialized processes involved. Evidence against you seems overwhelming. Even if the evidence against you seems insurmountable, a criminal defense lawyer is still invaluable. They have the skills to challenge the prosecution's evidence, whether it's through questioning the legitimacy of the evidence, showing how it was mishandled, or presenting counter-evidence. Your attorney can also look for legal grounds to suppress certain pieces of evidence if they were obtained illegally. In some cases, overwhelming evidence could be circumstantial or misinterpreted. A skilled defense lawyer knows how to weaken the impact of the evidence and present your case in the best light possible, increasing your chances of a more favorable outcome. You're unaware of your legal rights. Many people are unaware of their rights when interacting with law enforcement, leading to unintentional mistakes that could harm their case. For example, you might inadvertently waive your right to remain silent or make statements that can later be used against you. A criminal defense attorney ensures that your rights are protected at every stage of the process, from arrest to trial. They will advise you on when to speak and when to remain silent, ensuring that your words cannot be used to further incriminate you. With legal counsel, you can rest assured that every move you make is informed and strategic. You don't understand the legal system. The criminal justice system is notoriously complicated, and even small missteps can have serious consequences. If you don't understand the legal jargon, court procedures, or how plea deals work, you may inadvertently hurt your case. A criminal defense attorney's job is to simplify the legal system for you and explain all your options. They will walk you through every step of the process, from the arraignment to any possible appeals. An experienced lawyer ensures you fully understand what's happening and what to expect, so you can make decisions that are in your best interest. The prosecution is offering a plea deal. Plea deals can be tempting because they offer a quicker resolution to your case, but they often come with long-term consequences. Accepting a plea deal could result in a conviction, even if you're not entirely guilty. A criminal defense lawyer plays a critical role in evaluating whether the plea deal is fair and in your best interest. They'll assess the strength of the prosecution's case, the potential penalties, and whether you stand a chance in court. In some cases, they may negotiate for a better plea offer, or they might advise you to reject the deal and fight the charges in court, depending on the circumstances. You want the best possible outcome. No matter how minor or severe the charge, a criminal defense attorney is crucial if you want the best possible outcome. Lawyers use their knowledge of the law, experience in court, and negotiation skills to maximize your chances of a favorable resolution. Whether that's a reduced charge, a dismissal, or an acquittal, having an attorney on your side ensures that every legal avenue is explored. They will also help you understand the long-term implications of your case, advising you on how to minimize any future risks. In the end, your attorney's goal is to ensure the most favorable outcome for you, whether in or out of court. Whether you're facing serious charges, are wrongly accused, or simply don't understand the legal system, a criminal defense attorney can make all the difference. Their expertise protects your rights and ensures you have the best chance at a positive outcome. If you find yourself in any of the situations we discussed, don't hesitate. Reach out to a criminal defense lawyer today. We hope you found this video informative and valuable. For more legal tips, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Criminal Defense Attorney Tips. We'll continue to provide the knowledge you need to navigate the complexities of criminal law.